Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to load booking code on OneXBet. This is really simple. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you have to do here is just to place a bet. So you have to look at the pre-match. On the top pre-matches like this Bournemouth versus Newcastle United, so you are just going to place a bet on any event here on the OneXBet. You have to place a bet, and next you are going to click on your bet slip icon at the bottom middle. Next you are going to find out if all your odds are perfectly inserted, and next you are going to scroll down, and next you are going to click on this menu right down so you can see more details about your bet slip. Next you find out that here you are going to insert the amount that you want to bet on, but you are going to click on promo. Here now on promo you are going to see a section where you can insert your promo code. So this promo code is just your booking code, so you are going to insert any booking code that will cost you a promotion or that will cost you a bonus on your bet. Next you are going to enter it, and then you are going to head back on bet, and next you are going to place the amount, and your total amount of bet is going to take into consideration the bonus code that you inserted. Next you are going to click on bet to confirm the bet, and you will benefit of the booking code on your OneXBet, and it's as simple as that.